Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In this video, I'm going to be showing you a two-plate setting that I set up for me and my husband for Thanksgiving. It's like in a brunch style. So I have done a Christmas tablescape. So I said I just skipped all over Thanksgiving. So being that I'm very thankful, I decided to do a Thanksgiving brunch two-plate setting. And the things that I'm thankful for: Jesus dying on the cross, giving us another chance. That's what I'm thankful for. And as you can see, I use this beautiful antique looking beaded charger that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And you know I like to use my clear plates, so you can see these beautiful chargers. I'm using a gold napkin ring that I picked up from Dollar General about 2 years ago for 25 cents for 4, and I'm using some stick-on daisies, sunflower, to embellish the napkin ring to match with the sign, thankful, grateful, and blessed sign. So this centerpiece I've done in a DIY. I'll link that video in the description box. So this is just a little brunch that I have set up. Got all nice little clear coffee cups, coffee glasses, and so we just gonna sit across from each other and enjoy each other with this centerpiece that is not blocking our view. And so I decided to put a vignette over to the side for decor purposes. I got my little cornucopia for Thanksgiving and some grateful and blessed signs. So that's it. This is Mrs Vee. I'm going to continue to show you love, and I'm going to always help you save on some of the things you need to get some of the things you want. What are you thankful for?